Hi there! In this video, I'll show you how to remove restrictions on Messenger. To start this tutorial, open and locate your Messenger application on your mobile device. Once you are in Messenger, click on the conversation that you don't want to restrict anymore on Messenger. Once you're on the conversation, click on their profile and then scroll down. And then click on Restrict. Now we have restricted my friend over at my profile. Now go to the three lines on the upper left, and then click on the gear icon. Once you're here, scroll down. We're looking for privacy and safety. Once you locate privacy and safety, tap on it. There, I found it as well. In here, go to restricted accounts. You can see my friend's name and then I'll just tap it. Then I'll click on unrestrict. And that is an example on how to unban or not restrict contacts on your Messenger. And that's it. You can do this for every other conversation that you want to unrestrict over at your Messenger already. Just do the same settings from step 1. And you should be good to go. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.